I found him. It took me a little bit. There he is. We've had a good hunt so far. 5 minutes. See if we can get some more. Maybe we'll get close to limiting out today. With how many squirrels I've seen already. So stay tuned. Let's get some more. I just got 2. There we go, guys. Got my 2 squirrels. This one was shot a little back, so I had to run around and get it. But we got them. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try and get a crow here. Orange, so here it comes. Got one. There's still more. Let's try to get another one. I'm gonna change it up to Crow Frenzy. Coming back, they're coming back. We got another one, boys. The shotgun setup that I used in this hunt to allow me to make these 40+ yard shots in this video with my Stoeger P3000 pump action shotgun. And fixed onto the end of that was a Carlson choke tube. The shot shell that I used were Kent Fast Lead number 5s. The game collar that I used in this hunt was a Western Rivers Mantis game collar. The 2 main calls that I had used was the basic crow call, just simply to coax the crows into the area towards me initially, and then after shooting my first crow, I had used a crow frenzy call to anger the other crows enough to try to avenge their fallen buddy. Sometimes a red-tailed hawk call will work as well. And that's it for this little segment of the tools of the trade. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming along with me on this trip. And until next time, slay and obey, my friends. I'll see you on the flip side.